Hey guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be trying press-on nails for the first time. And I'm so excited for this because I found a huge pack of these on Amazon. So each set is less than $1. And we're gonna be going over everything, how to apply these, doing a wear test, and then also how to remove them. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get right into it. Okay, so this pack comes with 14 different colors and you get 2 of each. It costs $17, so it ends up being around 60 cents per set. And I decided to go with this blushy pink color. I know, surprise, but I thought it would be cute. So the first thing that you want to do is size the nail to your natural nails. So when you're doing this, you want to make sure that it fits sidewall to sidewall. And if you find that the nail is too big or you're kind of in between sizes, then you want to go with the bigger size and then just take a file and file it down to fit your nail. Next, you're going to move on to your nail prep. So the first thing that I like to do is push back my cuticles, and I'm using a metal pusher, but you can also use an orange wood stick to do this. And then after that, I'm going to remove the shine from my nail using a 180 grit nail file. And this is super important because you really want to make sure that the fake nails have something to adhere to. So this is going to kind of rough up the surface and then also help remove oils from your nail. After that, I'm going to wipe my nail off using rubbing alcohol and a makeup sponge. Again, this is going to help get rid of any oils on your nail and then also get rid of that filing dust. Okay, so for the press-on nail application, I'm going to be using this nail bond glue that I found on Amazon, and I decided to go with a brush-on glue just because I feel like it makes it easier. So I ended up applying this to the fake nail and then also my natural nail just to make sure it had a secure hold. And guys, this glue is so strong. This was my first time using it, but as soon as I put the nail on there, it was like stuck on there. So definitely keep that in mind if you accidentally put it on crooked or need to fix it. Do it quickly or else you might be stuck with it. And also when I went to apply each press-on nail, I started at the cuticle area and then pushed it toward the tip of my nail and then held it down for probably about 5 to 10 seconds and then I was good. Once I glued the nails on, I did have that little plastic piece on the tip of my nail, so I just used a nail file to remove that. And this is how the nails turned out. They were super quick and easy to do. I think it took me maybe 10 or 15 minutes, and I was so happy with how they looked, but the ultimate test was seeing how long they would last because, like I said, this was my first time using press-on nails, and a part of me felt like they would just pop off the same day, but I was actually surprised. So when I wore them, I wasn't super careful or anything, but I also didn't like bang them against things, so I just treated them like I would normally treat my nails. This is what my nails look like right now. This is day 6. And honestly, I'm impressed. I haven't had any lifting. They still feel really secure. And I wasn't even sure we would make it this far. Okay, so as you guys can see, I did lose a nail during my workout. It just kind of popped off when I was going to put a weight back. And from what I can tell, it didn't damage my nail or anything, and it didn't hurt at all. So this is what my nail is looking like. There's just like a little bit of glue stuck on there. So once my nail popped off, it was time to figure out how to remove them. So I think I saw this method on TikTok, but basically you take some warm water, some soap, and then put some cuticle oil in it and soak your nails in that. And then I also put some cuticle oil on each nail just to try to help loosen the glue up, and soaked my nail for 10 minutes. And this did nothing. So I was like, maybe it's my water or something, I don't know. So I ended up trying this again. I refilled my water, put more cuticle oil in, and then soaked my nails for another 10 minutes. And my nails were not budging at all. I tried to wiggle them, but at the same time, I didn't want to force my nail off. So I personally don't like this method. It may work for you, but I was just over it. So I decided to just take some nail clippers and cut the excess nail off. And then I have this soak off bowl that's actually really nice. So it has 2 compartments in it. The bottom you put warm water in, and then the top you put a cotton ball soaked in acetone, and then you just put your fingers in there. So I did that and soaked them for about 10 minutes, and the nails dissolved right off. It was super easy to do. I did have some residue from the glue left on my nails, so I soaked them for an additional minute, but you can also just use an orange wood stick to gently remove that from your nail. So as you can see, after wearing them, my nails are still healthy. They didn't damage my nails at all. And overall, I'm really happy with my press-on nail experience. I feel like this is great for beginners or if you just don't feel like spending a lot of time on your nails. Plus, they're really affordable. Like I mentioned, they end up being around 60 cents per set, which I feel like you can't beat that. And as long as you're not hitting your nail against a weight at the gym, they should last longer on you. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your press-on nail experience or if you'd like to try them, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.